The parts and tools required for stand assembly are as follows. Unpack and unwrap two stand columns. Place the stand columns upside down and keep them parallel. Attach the connecting plates to the slotted holes of stand columns. Take a set of screws and tighten them in the corresponding screw holes. Secure with hexagon wrenches. Repeat the above steps to install another connecting plate. Take out a set of casters. Fasten the casters clockwise to its corresponding slots. Then secure the hex nut using the provided open-end wrench. Take the level peg on your machine stand. Rotate them counterclockwise and secure them tight. In this way, the casters and the lever peg on the machine stand are installed. Repeat the above steps to install the remaining casters and the lever pegs. Once all of the pegs and wheels are in place, turn the stand right side up. Prepare the iron rings and screws. Align the two screw holes of the iron ring with the screw holes on the machine stand. Fasten the iron rings with screws through the bottom hole. Repeat the above steps to install the remaining iron rings. Lift the machine body onto the stand. Make sure the machine's feet are placed in the silver mounts on the stand. Tighten the two screws of the lever pegs downward and upward. Keep the caster in a suspended position. Do the same with the other 3 lever pegs. In this way, the machine stand will no longer be able to slide with the wheels.